best softwares for billing and accounting. Which is best for you? Hi there, you guys. Welcome to another video. And in this video, I will be talking about what are the three best softwares for billing and accounting. And by the end of this video, you should be able to understand what those softwares are for and perhaps choose which one is suitable or best suitable for you. Small business owners benefit from accounting software because it helps them track accounts receivable and accounts payable, have a clear understanding of their profitability, and be prepared for tax season. In the world of accounting software, a small business is one that can use out-of-the-box software without requiring extensive customizations. As business grows, its accounting needs become more complex, and a custom enterprise resource planning system is often needed. There are many different types of accounting software available for small businesses with varying capabilities and price tags. Generally, the type of industry and number of employees are two factors that can help a small business owner begin to choose the accounting software that is appropriate. For example, a freelancer would not need the same features in accounting software as a restaurant owner. 19 accounting software companies were researched and compared before I actually make this video. And when evaluating companies, I consider the cost, ease of use, features, integrations, and scalability. So first on my list is QuickBooks. QuickBooks Online is the best overall accounting software for small businesses of those who have reviewed it as well. And not only do the majority of small business accounting professionals use QuickBooks Online, but there are also endless online training resources and forums to get support when needed. All accounting features can be conveniently accessed on one main dashboard, making bookkeeping more fluid and efficient. Some of the pros of this software is that it's scalable, it's commonly used by accounting professionals, its integration with third-party applications, its cloud-based feature, of course, and there is also a mobile app for you to use. Some of the cons are you can upgrade to required for more users, occasional syncing problems with banks and credit cards. Intuit's QuickBooks Online has been the most common accounting software used by small businesses and their bookkeeping and tax professionals. The software is cloud-based and can be accessed through a web browser or through the mobile app. After a 30-day free trial, the four options for subscription plans include Simple Start at $25 per month, Essentials at $40 per month, Plus at $70 per month, and Advanced at $150 per month. Typically, there is a significant discount offered for the first few months, and same accountants are able to offer wholesale pricing to small businesses as well. Next on my list is Xero. Xero is the best in my review for micro businesses that are looking for very simple accounting software. This software has clean interface and also also fully integrates with a third-party payroll service. Businesses can collect payment online from customers through Xero's integration with Stripe and Go Cardless. Some of the pros are, of course, it's cloud-based. There's a mobile app as well, and there is a payroll integration with Gusto, and there's also a third party app marketplace, and it's really simple inventory management. Some of the cons are its limited reporting, fees charged for ACH payments, and limited customer service. Xero was founded in 2006 in New Zealand and now has over 2.7 million users worldwide. This accounting software is popular in New Zealand, Australia, and the United Kingdom. Xero has over 3,500 employees and is growing rapidly in the US as well. Xero offers 3 monthly subscription options and a full-service payroll add-on. Early at $11 per month, growing at $32 per month, and established at $62 per month. The full-service payroll option is offered through Gusto and is an additional $39 per month, plus $6 per employee. The company offers a 30-day free trial and a promotion for 50% off for 2 months. The early plan limits usage and only allows entry for live invoices or quotes, 5 bills, and reconciliation of 20 bank transactions per month. This limited plan may be suitable for a micro business with high ticket transaction, but only a few per month as a consulting or small service provider. Next on my list, number 3 is FreshBooks. The most crucial accounting need for most service-based businesses is invoicing. FreshBooks offers more customizations for invoicing compared to other accounting software. Its primary function is to send, receive, print, and pay invoices, but it can also take a business basic bookkeeping needs as well. This accounting software makes it easier for service-based businesses to send proposals and invoices, request deposits, collect client retainers, track time on projects, and receive payments. Some of the cons are, of course, it's cloud-based, user-friendly interface, third-party app integration, it's really affordable, and its advanced invoicing features. There are cons, however, to note down, like the no inventory management, it has no payroll service, mobile app has limitations as well. Now, founded in 2003 in Toronto, FreshBooks started as just an invoicing software. Over time, more features have been added, and FreshBooks now has over 500 employees. There are 4 different plans, and businesses can get a 10% discount if they choose to pay yearly rather than monthly. Additionally, FreshBooks offers a 60% of discount per month for 6 months. The 4 plans are Lite at $6 per month, Plus at $10 per month, Premium at $20 per month, and Select, which is a custom service with custom pricing. The main difference between the 4 plans is the number of different clients that are allowed to be billed per month. In the Lite plan, up to 5 clients can be billed per month. In the Plus plan, up to 50 clients can be billed per month. In the Premium plan, unlimited clients can be billed per month. The Select plan also does not have a limitation on the number of clients that can be billed per month, but adds unique features. It costs an additional $10 per month for multiple team members to use that accounting software, and it costs an additional $20 per month for the advanced payment feature, which allows users to charge a credit card in real time or set up a recurring credit card charge for a client. There are many third-party app integration available such as Shopify, Gusto, Stripe, G Suite, and more. A unique feature of FreshBooks is that invoices can be highly stylized and customized for a professional look and feel. FreshBooks is a great tool for budgeting out projects, sending estimates or proposals, and collecting customer payments. Now, let's look back at the 3 best accounting and billing softwares. Again, we have the first one, QuickBooks, which is the best overall accounting software for small businesses. And we also have Xero, which is the best in my review for micro businesses that are looking for very simple accounting software. And of course, let's not forget FreshBooks. This is the most crucial accounting need for most service-based business, which is invoicing. And FreshBooks does a really good job in doing that. There are also lots of pros and cons of each of the softwares, but definitely everyone is different. I mean, every software here is really different from one another. Now, let me know down in the comments below what you would like to try out. But that's it for this video, you guys. I hope to see you again on the next one. Peace out.